welcome to this video by InvestoOfCrypto. I am Darren and welcome to the InvestoOfCrypto YouTube channel. Um, in this video, well, before I start this video, please, if you're a returning person, returning viewer, or just a new viewer to the channel, please, if you want to see more video by myself, if you like the content that I put out there, please hit that subscribe button, the notification button, so that you're notified every time I put out a new video. It really helps with supporting the channel, and also, it really helps with supporting the Telegram group. Which, if you are a person that's new to crypto, or even a seasoned veteran, please go ahead and join us on the Investor of Crypto Telegram group, and we will talk about crypto all day long. Which that's mostly what we do in the Telegram group, is talk about crypto and things like that. And also share your what cryptos you like investing into, because we really love talking about many different types of crypto. But in this video, I'm gonna go over some of my trading strategies. This video came about because, and this has been something that I've been putting off for a while because of work and things like that. But in this video, I'm gonna cover my personal strategies on looking up crypto and how to determine which one is a good one to go into. Because I was helping a friend out just last week, and he mentioned to me that my trading strategies was actually very long, and he wasn't going to, he couldn't figure it out. So he told me just put it in the form of video. So hey, this video is just for him. All right. So one way you could check is just if you're new to crypto. This is one thing that I did, one strategy that I did. When I went and looked at a YouTube video like what you guys are doing right now, I always often would check to see what cryptos is this YouTuber invested into. And that's one good way to check to see what good cryptos are good to invest in. So one is right here. But if you want, in my case, you want to go to investoofcrypto.com website, go to the About Us, go to our investments, and here this is where it will show you all the cryptos that not only myself but the ones that everybody in the Telegram group is investing into. It will show you all the ones, because we all invest in many different types of crypto. Please forgive me for the internet slowness, because that's my internet speed, and also today my internet speed has been horrible all day, so please forgive me for that. But look, these are all the cryptocurrencies that we invest in currently. Majority of us in the Telegram group are investing in these cryptocurrencies. And this is one way to check to see, because of course you gotta do your own research on these cryptocurrencies before you invest your money into it. But this is one way to see, okay, this guy invests into Binance Coin, what is that? Or Cardano, what is that? And it's up to you to go online on Google or Facebook or whatever you use and research on what is that particular crypto and what does it do. Because one thing that I do is I always check to see what type of technology a crypto has, how popular is that crypto, and is it something that has actually real life usage. Like, for example, like I explained about Zilliqua just last week. Zilliqua actually has a exchange called ZilSwap, which actually could be used right now in real life. So that's actually something that's very good to. That's something that has a real life usage, because you have people using it to exchange. So that's actually a good investment to invest into. Now, if you want to invest into Zilliqua, like I said in the preview, you want to check my Zilliqua video, please go ahead and just go into the description below, and I'll have that video there. But yeah, if you want to invest in Zilliqua, also you want to make sure you're doing your own research at that as well, because I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not just telling you where to put your money at. You want to invest in this. You want to do your own research before you invest into this, because you're risking your own money when you invest into this, not mine. But I know this where I have my money in, so I'm just basically putting that out there for for just to let y'all know this is something that I am investing into. But like I said, do your own research on whatever cryptos you invest in. This is one strategy. Another one is to go to look at the coin market, because a lot of beginners, especially me when I first started, I just went to coin market, and the first thing that I saw was Bitcoin. Waiting for waiting for it to come up. Um, like I said, this is the website caching the chart. But yeah, first I went and looked at was Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I went ahead and well, when I first started, the top three was Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. That's when I first started in crypto 4 or 5 years ago. Now it's amazing how you see Binance Coin, Cardano, and all the rest of these up here, where just years ago they wasn't even thought of. So it shows how much the crypto market has grown over the last several years. But getting back to this video, but that's the first thing I did. I went and looked at Bitcoin, but but Bitcoin is not the be all. It's not the be all end all in crypto right now. You got plenty of other cryptocurrencies you can get into. Um, but like I said, we got all these different cryptos, and now it's like when you're a beginner, it's like, okay, which one should I invest in? Well, it's very hard. But like I said, I gave you one stratagem, which is going out, looking at YouTube videos, looking at the investments. But another way is to just, research on the crypto. Just basically take these cryptos and look them up online. Look on what social media, see what social media is saying about them and things like that. Um, but one way is just like I said, just click on the coin, especially if you're on investoofcrypto.com. You click on a crypto. Like in this case, I'm clicking on Binance. Um, like I said, my internet's pretty slow at the moment. But we see that Binance is doing pretty good right now. The Binance coin is doing pretty well right now, very, very well. A little brief description of what's going on at the moment. We see that one Binance coin is $453.65 in USD. Look at the historical data on this one. I want to see how good this coin has been performing in this case, this is the past probably like 9 days. Yeah, 9 days, and I can just continue on going back and just checking to see how have this coin has been doing even for the past 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks almost. And another thing that I'm looking at is the socials. If there's any socials for it, checking to see what is social media saying about it. This is one thing that I did post on the website. What is social media saying about Binance? You can look at what is being shown uh, on Reddit and Twitter posts. What is Binance talking about in their Twitter pages and things like that. Um, and that's one strategy you can use regarding that. Um, Another strategy you can use to see what cryptos you can use, because this is one way that if I was looking at this same coin on CoinMarketCap, I'll be looking at CoinMarketCap and I'll just go to Binance. CoinMarketCap, I do things a little bit differently than on the website. The website got a few things that I actually like. But this is what I do if I'm looking at Binance. I love looking at the TradingView uh, charts. And TradingView is a great platform to use, especially if you're new. You could actually go to TradingView's website, which is right here. I will leave a link to it in the description below. But I'll be coming back to TradingView shortly. But you could use it actually to check out charts on many different cryptocurrencies. Now, the smaller coins like Safe Mars, Safe Moon, and things like that, they won't show up on there because those are not very popular. Not sure what the process is or how does a coin get posted onto TradingView. But in this case, I wouldn't. You can't look up coins like that on TradingView at the moment, but you can look up coins like Binance Coin and things that's probably in the top like 200 or 300 probably. I would say I know that everything in the top 100 it can definitely be found on TradingView. Um, but don't hold me to that top 300 thing. But yeah, but let's go ahead and because a lot of coins that are in the top 300 are sometimes that are some anomalies that just chop up on the top 10 charts. So in just the past couple of days, and those things cannot be found. Like Save Moon did that one point, but yeah, one thing that I like using um but this is one thing I like using is the trading view chart. Look at the volumes of sales for the past day, and this is the day chart. We're looking at the volumes for the past day. You see, the past day was nothing but straight green, and we can start to get a little red candle that's about to form right here. And sometimes these red candles starts forming normally at the start of the weekend. For some reason, I realized that some coins just start doing bad during the week as the weekends get closer. I guess it's because to make a note, a lot of crypto investors, if they're also doing stocks and things like that, most people don't trade on weekends because the stock markets are closed. So that explains why sometimes you get like a little red candlestick during the weekends sometimes. So that's one thing to take note of. Uh, but before we continue on here, let me go ahead and go over a few things. Getting off Binance Coin for a second. Another good trading strategy to use is looking at the top gainers and the top gainers. And reason why looking at this chart is very, very crucial is because you get to check to see what coins are doing good at the moment over the last 24 hours. Well, this over the last 24 hours, we see that there's a lot of cryptocurrencies that have just jumped over the last 24 hours. So if we're looking at this, this may be a good opportunity to check these cryptocurrencies out. If you, like I said, most of these coins may not show up on TradingView. You may have to look up alternative methods to check their charts out, or just go to their website and just see how are they doing. Just go to their website and just check the technology out, because they may be overbought at the moment, and they may be on the verge of eventually going down for a bit. And as they're going down, you go ahead and invest into it. Now these particular cryptos, you would have to check that for yourself. If you're in the US, you may not be able to invest to any of these, like Super Bitcoin and Galaxium and things like that. You may have to go and check for yourself to see if you can invest in these, because a lot of these coins are not even cannot even be, you know US traders won't be able to get access to, because the US locks everything down, unfortunately. But as you look at the top gainers, like I said, the top gainers, these are coins that you want to look into and see, could this be an investment opportunity later on, and just keep this in like your watch list on Binance, and just leave it there, and just wait for it to start dipping, and then get in, and then just ride that bull run when it starts going up. The next thing you could do is check the top losers. Now, the top losers in this case, this is ones you want to really, really, really be careful with. The reason why I say this is because the top losers, these may be coins that are going down on purpose, because especially some of these crappy coins, like you look at coins like this, where these reason why these are going down is because people have, these were, like I would say, a pump and dump coins, where a whole bunch of people get in it, and then they just go ahead and just sell when they reach a certain dollar amount. And that's one way you lose money, or you lose a lot of money. A good way to gain a lot of money if you get into these pump and dump coins very fast. But sometimes you may see good coins up here, where you might see Ethereum, might see Bitcoin. Sometimes you might see Cardano or something like that on this list, and it'll be a great opportunity to invest into them, because the best times to get into a particular cryptocurrency is when it's down. Remember the old saying, you buy low and you sell high, and that comes not only does that just pertain to stock markets, but crypto as well. So just keep that in mind. All right. So, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this video right now. I'm going to do a part 2 just shortly, and I'll see you in that video. All right. Peace.